Stay tuned as May 2024 is full of interesting space events that you wouldn't want to miss. May 2024 is the great month to observe the galactic center of Milky Way. Also, there are favorable conditions to watch Eta Aquariids meteor shower. The new moon week is in general best time for stargazing. This is the Universe Factory, and let's talk about the major astro events that are taking place in May 2024. Before that, quickly subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification if you haven't already. You wouldn't want to miss out with the latest happenings in the world of astronomy that we regularly post here. Find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned down in the description below. Be sure to check out. Also, stay with me until the end of the video for bonus content. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into today's video of May 2024 astro events. May 2024 starts with a conjunction where the moon will pass at 0.5 degrees to the south of Saturn at 22:31 UTC, both appearing closer to each other. In addition to this, Saturn will go behind the moon on what's called an occultation. This conjunction cum occultation will take place in constellation Aquarius. Additionally, the same event will again take place on 31st May, where the moon will pass at 0.2 degrees to the south of Saturn at 8:08 UTC in constellation Aquarius. Another conjunction cum occultation, this time between Moon and Mars, where the moon will pass 0.1 degrees to the north of Mars at 2:25 UTC. In addition to this, Mars will go behind the moon on what's called an occultation. This conjunction cum occultation will take place near constellation Pisces. Now here is the fun fact about the red planet Mars. The Earth's orbit around the Sun lasts 1 year, and that of Mars lasts about 2 years. So the brightness of Mars in the sky alternates from year to year. In 2023, Mars appeared fainter in the sky. On the contrary, 2024 will be an excellent year for Mars and it will shine brightly. The Eta Aquariids is an above average shower, capable of producing up to 60 meteors per hour at its peak. Most of the activity is seen in the southern hemisphere. However, in the northern hemisphere, the red can reach about 30 meteors per hour. It is produced by the dust particles left behind by Comet Halley, which has been observed since the ancient times. The shower runs annually from 19th April to 28th May, peaking this year on the night of May 6th and the morning of the May 7th. The nearly new moon means the dark skies for what should be an excellent show this year. Best viewing will be from the dark location after midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation Aquarius but can appear anywhere in the sky. The moon will be between the Earth and the Sun on this date, so the bright side of the moon will be facing away from the Earth. The days around the new moon mean the best time for stargazing, as you get to observe deep sky objects such as galaxies, nebulae, star clusters, etc. The planet Mercury will reach its greatest western elongation of 26.4 degrees from the Sun. This is the best time to view Mercury, since it will be at its highest point above the horizon in the morning sky. Look for the planet low in the eastern sky just before the sunrise. The moon will be on the opposite side of the Earth, so the Sun will illuminate it completely. The days around the full moon are not ideal for stargazing because of the bright moonlight interference. However, you can always observe the beauty of the full moon. As promised earlier, here is the bonus content that you are waiting for. The best time for stargazing is around 8th May because of the new moon, as there will be no moonlight to interfere in the night sky. Now, if you can go to the dark location away from any type of light pollution, you may get to observe Andromeda Galaxy or M81 during the early morning pre-dawn time, rising above the northeast horizon. The galactic center of the Milky Way will be visible in this month as well. If you are from northern hemisphere, say from Spain for example, you can observe a beautiful diagonal with the galactic center shining. Or if you are in South Africa in southern hemisphere, you can observe the Milky Way completely vertical. Would you like to have you or your work featured here on YouTube? Share your best work for astrophotography with us until 15th May. Check out the email ID mentioned in the description. If you got to capture 12p Pons-Brooks or the great American solar eclipse that took place in the last month, the better. The selected photos entries will be featured here on YouTube, our social media platforms as well. So hurry and grab your astrophotography gear to get featured. So that's it for today's video about major astro events that will take place in May 2024. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comment if you are excited to watch any of these events. Like and share this video with everyone around you and let them too enjoy these events. Subscribe to the Universe Factory and press the bell icon to get notified first about the latest news and happenings in the world of astronomy. Just in case if you missed the chance to watch the Devil Comet when it approached closest to the Sun this last week, or if you want to know how the Cigar Galaxy looks like through Webb's lens, check out these amazing videos in the suggestion. We'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.